Welcome to the A Sound Effect podcast. My name is Esben Andersen and I'm the founder of asoundeffect.com, and you're listening to the 2022 Mystery Sound Quiz Edition. Can you guess what's making the sound you'll be hearing in a second? Submit your guess at asoundeffect.com/quiz and get 3 chances to win a 1-year subscription to the excellent cloud sound effects platform Soundly. Here's that mystery sound. So, what is that mystery sound? Submit your guess at asoundeffect.com/quiz for your 3 chances to win a 1-year Soundly Pro subscription. Thanks in advance for taking part, and good luck.